Let's tow this 23-foot jet boat. Alrighty, we just got our first call for a 23-foot Yamaha jet boat. They're tied next to the port here in Bayside, and we're taking them to Dinner Key. Let's go hook them up and take them back. There's the boat right there. Let's hook them up. In tow now. Let's take them to Dinner Key. Just arriving to the Dinner Key channel. I'm gonna slow them down and put them on the hip. I'm on the hip now. Let's take them to the boat ramp. Get back to her dock successfully. See what the rest of the day has for us.